Oh. Oh my God. This shit feels so good.
Bump, what up?
Yeah, my guy.
Good. Happy you're here, man.
What's up?
You ready?
Yeah. What you got?
Man, a lot of stuff. I got a lot of stuff ready for you, bro. A lot. I made you a small little pump change just as a gift, bro, you know?
Oh my God, bro. Appreciate you. Gang. You did. Hey, this is nice.
Yeah, it's like borderless new setting, so it's edge to edge. We'll help him put that on. How's your mom and your brother been?
Good.
And good?
Yeah.
Did you end up buying your brother a watch for his birthday?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, nice. Is he happy with it?
Yeah.
I like your family, bro.
Everybody's fried. We're all fried. Fuck.
I like the doors too because there were some kids trying to see all of this.
Yo, I see everybody with you. Look.
These
what
are
these
Cartiers,
for?
right? Left side. Because they're plain glasses that I'm like,
Yeah, nasty. Oh, you got some baguette chains, tennis?
baguette tennis. Let me see what I got. And I'll have Ruffy pull some for me. Let me see, but I'll check what we might have in progress and see if we got anything in the pipeline that I can pull out for you. What kind you're looking for? Like a white or yellow though?
This is nasty.
Yeah, that one's crazy. So that's expensive.
Bro. What's the price on it?
Guys came early.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh boy. What was the price on that? Is it that crazy?
44. But I'll check your number.
This is nasty. This is nasty.
Keep it on for a minute. I'm gonna check the system for you. That's the best one though, for sure.
This is
Oh yeah, I don't know if this is a
You have to match that with the bracelet.
It's eternity. It can be sizable.
Right?
yeah.
Cannot get that
I ain't gonna lie. I need 2 more sparks.
Yeah?
I have to. Oh.
What, do you know what colors you want?
Rose. Oh, that's a new one?
This is rose and white.
Oh,
White
that's nasty.
Okay, check this out. Yeah, I only made one like this. I know you have 2 sizes.
Yeah. What about your watches?
I'm gonna pull all of them out and bring them like one area. Julian, can you just grab all the watches and all the nicest ones and put them on that?
I got you.
And Louis Z. You back at it.
These are all my grills.
For real?
Yeah, every one of them.
Yeah. That's fire.
Yeah, Sky's got the open face coming.
Boy, open face?
Yeah, just plain gold open face. You gotta see them on though, they're good.
Yeah. This shit looks hard.
And because they're so lightweight, because they're open face, it's real easy to talk in. It doesn't feel like you got so much diamonds in that, you know? Because the invisible set ones, they look damn good, but they're great for photos and videos, you know? But talking in them's hard, right?
Yeah, it's hard.
Because it's like having a whole like ring in your mouth, you know? It's literally like having this in your mouth when you have the iced out, you know?
No, literally.
Yeah.
There'll be a lot of that.
Huh?
I think there'll be a lot of that.
Let's look at it when it comes back out, see how they look together. But it might be right. Might kind kind of how the drug addict connects to it.
Yeah.
Yep. You want to leave that one on for a minute? I'll leave it in the tree.
Masquerade.
This is the small body one.
That's the 39, correct. They make a 41mm, which is a little bit bigger.
What about this? What does it look for?
That one's a 41mm with the solitairs in the band. This one shows 50,200.
How's the tour been? Yeah. This venue you guys are at tonight is a really good venue. Yeah, Coca-Cola Roxy. It's the best, besides the biggest arenas, it's the best venue in town. Man, that thing is classy. They already got half the repairs done?
Yeah, most.
Yeah. So I'm staying on them. I know.
I'll go jump back there. What quarter?
Which one? This quarter you want to only? This one?
Here, no. Oh, this is a Frank Muir. Yeah.
Going to the julep, but the AP, yeah.
Do you like any of the plain gold roast styles? You doing white, yellow roast?
No.
Yeah, I mean, bust down, right?
Yeah. Bust down.
Yeah. So, now you'll be able to move the right way.
For sure.
And I got a name in it.
Oh, damn, that's good.
Yeah. Because this way you won't lose stuff, it won't hit each other. You can hold 4 iced out watches, you can hold the chains at the bottom, all that. So I know you might wear some of this out, but I'm gonna just set it up as the repairs are finished. Because, you know, before you know it, you have $1 million in jewelry, you gotta have proper storage for it, you know?
You're froze.
More out. Yep.
Came straight to Icebox from the strip club. From the jet to the strip club. I mean, from the fucking. I went from strip club to the jet. Bitch, and from the jet to Icebox. And from Icebox, I'm going back to the strip club.
You going to the strip club after this?
Maybe.
You got another bag of money after this for the strip club?
So.
Okay. It seems like every time you come here, you drop like $250,000, bro.
Listen. Only. $250,000 only.
Actually, I think, honestly, more than that at each time.
Yeah,
Like, literally. Sometimes you bring in 100 cash and wire me 100, stuff like that.
Yeah. Only 100. So this is what you do after a successful weekend at Rolling Loud. Hop off a jet, straight to Icebox. Bitch. Yes, sir. Make it rain. We're making it rain, baby. Come on. Let's do it. What? Y'all thought I was finished? Let's go. Where the strippers at? Y'all bitches need to come out right now. Come to Icebox. Let's do it. I need all the strippers to come here right now. Oh my God. This shit feels so good. We'll have to do that.
I'm gonna get in one with you.
He in that bit.
Yeah. Fuck. God damn it. Hey yo, my phone on? Listen, we just dropped over 500,000 on the floor. So if any one of you bitches want to come pick it up, come over here, do it.
Mom, don't do this next time, bro. Just send me a wire if you're gonna. I'm just messing with you.
Yeah.
Listen, I don't mind it. We'll get it cleaned up.
Oh my god. We're gonna have to get it cleaned up. Yo, I just made it rain over here at Icebox. We just threw a whole $250,000 on the floor with no strippers. And we need the strippers over here right now. We really do. I swear to God. If y'all have strippers in here right now?
I don't know the bitch, bro.
But then I lose some business, so it's better for me if we don't, you know?
Of course.
Those shoes are crazy, by the way.
Thank you. Damn, I can't pick for it. Feeling red.
I was gonna throw them in something.
Let me on this.
I didn't get big shoes, and then I was doing this. Hold on one sec. I'm gonna get out. Give me 1 sec. I'm gonna get out the photo.
Name's Hardy, my boy. Tap, 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 tap.
One phone call. Bang, bang, bang.
We supposed to get the roll with the
Oh, where's my teeth box?
They got them
Which box?
in the back.
Grab from me.
What is it?
teeth box.
Oh, okay. And Ruffy, get 2 retainer cases from the jeweler shop, because those will work too.
Appreciate it.
And then I'm gonna send you your grill. I'm gonna find out where you're at in like 2 weeks, and I'm gonna send you your grill. It'll fit right when you put it on. It's gonna snap right in. We'll do. You want the rose gold with the diamond cuts, like a crazy design, or?
Rose gold. Probably.
Yeah.
You know what I was thinking too? Pink sapphires.
All pink on pink. I can do that too. Okay. Yeah.
Some pink grills.
That would be dope. That would be crazy. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we'll do that.
Yeah, man, I needed my Icebox boxes. I was like, what the hell?
Yeah, man. For sure. You got to. This is all the top entertainers with a lot of jewelry. They gotta have a box like this.
Yo, this is the best box I've seen.
Yeah. No, it literally took me like 2 years to get it made. To change the sample, because all the jewelry boxes in the world are made for women's jewelry. You get what I'm saying? Nobody has one meant for like 4 bust downs, kilo Cubans, big custom pieces. That's why these are split that way, so you can fit a big piece and they don't damage each other. Because most people's jewelry gets damaged because the diamonds hit the diamond, the gold hits the gold. You get what I'm saying? So this would be, you know, hold on one second. Let's put get me 1 large pouch.
Huh?
Foreign bills.
Foreign, dude. Dude, I've had this shit. Bro, I've had this shit for months.
I had some guy paying euros. We didn't deposit it for like months either, because the bank has to mail it out.
Yeah, this is a mission, bro.
Yeah.
As long as I'm changing it. That'll change it, bro.
Yeah. Man, look at the wrist, man.
Crazy.
Did any of the bills get
Hey,
Huh?
listen.
Maybe.
Y'all were the first one to see it. I was the first one with these. Now look, everybody got them. Literally.
Yeah, no, you're right.
Trendsetter pump.
Hey, Pump, appreciate it, bro. Thanks so much.
Love.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, man, I'll see you tonight, brother.
Bye, bro.
Guys, I'm serious. Thank you, man.